For the last stage of our aquarium project, we're going to use watercolor, and we're using a couple different techniques to create different visual texture in your picture. So we're going to start out painting big things first, little things last. I'm going to work up here on the top part of my aquarium and create a wash, and that's where the paint starts out dark and it gets lighter as you go. So I'm painting dark along this line, and then when I add water to it, it makes it lighter. As long as you use crayon on your little critters, then you shouldn't have to be too careful when you get near them. Now before all this soaks in a lot, I'm going to use some rice. So I can take some rice and just sprinkle it on the page. It's best to do it before everything soaks in. And just leave the rice there and let it work its magic, because the rice is going to absorb some of the water that's on your page, and it's going to leave behind little ripple effects. So when this goes on the drying rack, the rice goes with it. So best advice would probably be start your wash over here, fade it out towards the middle, put on rice. Then go over here, make your wash, fade it out towards the middle, put on rice. Once your water's had a chance to dry, then you can go in and paint your ocean floor, which is most likely going to be brown. And with the salt, make sure that you're putting the salt on while the paint is still wet and hasn't soaked in yet. And you just sprinkle on a little bit. And as always, never eat art room salt, because you don't know where the hands have been that have gone in that cup.